Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Thursday, December 19th at 7:50 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we're going to draw a cute little dragon. I've got my coffee this morning, and we're ready to go. I chose another dragon. I don't know. Honestly, I like drawing them. My brother does more intricate work with dragons. He does stippling. A link to his channel is in the description. Um, he does his takes a couple days to do. Mine, so far, pretty simple. It's I really think the eyes, starting with the eyes, helps a lot. And I think I'm going to color this one too in the video and do the outline in ink. I'm using what is this called? Pigma Micron archival ink. I'll put a link to it in the description. And my brother really likes these pens, so that's why I'm using them too, because he's been doing this for quite a while. And we both like fantasy art. He's gotten into different dragon styles, types, fairies, sprites. And now, don't laugh at my colors. I'm just getting started with coloring with colored pencils, and it's a learning curve. It's not extremely hard, I would say, but it is something that needs to be learned, especially with layering. I didn't layer the body as much as I worked on the face. Kind of ran out of time that day. But with life, owning a bookstore with my wife, still have to go to work, still have to make a living. But I try and do this as many mornings as I can. Again, unless life gets in the way, vehicle breakdown, which has happened a couple times. Taking vehicles in early. It's always something. So don't feel bad if you try and start a new hobby or an old hobby. If you want to do it every day, it's not going to happen. But you can strive for it. I feel much better after I draw in the mornings. It gives me a little bit of release. I don't think about anything else when I'm drawing. That's the best thing about it. So start something and try and work it into your schedule, and it'll help you relax a little bit. So here's the final drawing coming up, and there it is. All right, well, I hope you have a great day, and